Here, you'll learn how acne and blackheads actually form, the right and safe ways to treat them, and the common mistakes that make things worse.
What if I told you that most people trying to remove blackheads are actually making their skin worse, without even realizing it? If you've tried scrubbing, squeezing, or using random products and still see those tiny black dots on your nose or face, this video might completely change the way you treat your skin. Let's start with the truth. Blackheads are not dirt. They are clogged pores filled with oil and dead skin cells that oxidize when exposed to air, turning dark. That's why washing your face harder won't fix the problem, and can actually irritate your skin. So instead of guessing, here's a step-by-step routine that actually works, and more importantly, protects your skin long-term. Step 1. Cleansing. But not just any cleansing. You need a gentle cleanser that removes excess oil without damaging your skin barrier. If your skin feels tight after washing, that's a sign you're overdoing it. Step 2. Chemical exfoliation. This is where real change happens. Ingredients like salicylic acid go deep into your pores and break down the buildup, causing blackheads. Unlike physical scrubs, this works from the inside, not by damaging the surface. Start slowly, maybe 2 to 3 times a week, and let your skin adjust. Step 3. Steam or warm water. After a warm shower, your pores are more relaxed, making it easier to clean them. But here's the important part. Avoid aggressive squeezing. Using your fingers can push bacteria deeper and cause inflammation, scars, or even more acne. If you choose to extract, do it gently and hygienically, or skip it entirely. Step 4. Clay mask. Clay helps absorb excess oil and gives your skin that clean, smooth look. It doesn't magically remove blackheads overnight, but it improves the overall condition of your pores. Step 5. Hydration. A lot of people with oily skin skip moisturizer, and that's a mistake. When your skin is dry, it produces even more oil, which leads to more clogged pores. Use a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer to keep balance. Step 6. Sunscreen. This is not optional. Sun damage makes pores look larger and slows down skin healing. If you're serious about clear skin, sunscreen is part of your routine every single day. Now let's talk about mistakes you should avoid. Over-exfoliating your skin. Using too many products at once. Expecting results in 1 or 2 days. Clear skin is not about quick fixes, it's about consistency. Give your routine at least a few weeks. Pay attention to how your skin reacts. And remember, simple routines done correctly are always better than complicated ones done wrong. If you stay consistent, you won't just remove blackheads. You'll actually improve your skin overall. And that's the goal.